We are going to take a look at an RFS Rosenquist feed-through radio frequency gluer. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This is a Rosenquist radio frequency gluer. At some point, it was rebuilt by RFS. This is a very desirable size feed-through press to find. It features a 50 by 88 inch platen and a 52 by 90 inch clamping area. The 10 kilowatt frequency RF generator cures up to 1,000 square inches of glue line per minute. Side pressure is provided via 11 pushers and top pressure via 5 pneumatic cylinders. The layup infeed table will also allow you to do lengths of up to double the platen size when double pressing.